Hello children, it is the continuation is the page number 4. A reading, attitude is altitude. Let's start. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Mobility means go one place to another place. And a team of carriers to help him. Now, I told Nick was not happy before when their parent joined him in mainstream school, but because he was teased and bullied, humiliated, insulted, and frightened. But after that, he told it was the best decision which could have taken their parents, because by joining the mainstream school he got the chance to mix and move with the normal children. And now Nick became independent and world famous personality. He how he moved one place to another place. He have a he has a electric wheelchair. With the help of that, he go one place to another place, and a team of people who help him. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old. He said, I went to my mother and cried and told her I wanted to kill himself. Nick was telling it was not very easy, and so many times he was very depressed by thinking, why God me like this. And when he was 8 years old, he went to his mother and told, I wanted to die. I felt cold and bitter. Cold and bitter is a phrasier word. And cold and sometimes happy and sometimes very sad. I hated God for doing this me, and I was terrified, means fear of what would happen when my parents weren't there to look after me. And Nick was telling, starting I was hate the God, and I was very sad and always thinking why God made me like this and what would happen when my parents were not there, because now every work his mother and father was doing, helping him. He couldn't able to do anything yourself because he has no limb. I could brush my teeth on my own teeth with a wall mounted brush and wash my own hair with pump action soap. But there was so much that was impossible for me. What he was telling, like a normal child, I also wanted to take my brush myself and do my brush myself and wash my hair and take bath with the soap action and with the water. And but it was not possible for him because he was torso, he don't have hand and leg. At the age of 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bathtub. When he was only 10 years, he tried to kill himself. He drowned himself into the bathtub because he wanted to die. But luckily, his attempt was unsuccessful. But what attempt he has taken, it was unsuccessful. He was not died. I felt because he knew swimming, that is why he was not died, not drawn into the bathtub. I felt there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. It is hard to hold on. What Nick told, he told, if you have any aim is not there in life, lack of purpose is there, that is there, will no use to live. how a person could live without any aim, because no limb means torso means how could he do, how he will live his life. That's why he told without aim how one person could live. He said, but with the help of his religion, friend and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Adversity means difficulty, triumph means win. Now he is telling, but my religion means that religion and friends and family means parents, all that much supported me, so I am able to become successful. And today Nick is the international symbol how to win over the adversities and become, and he is inspiring to other disabled person. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about the disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and help others, Nick said. I told Nick was also starting, he was very depressed. 2 times he attempted in 8 years and 13 years. No, 13 years means in 8 years he tried to kill himself, and and after this in 10 years he tried to drown himself, wanted to kill himself. But after that, when he was 13 years, he read a news article and how a disabled person who was disabled had managed to achieve great things whatever he wanted to achieve and helping other. After that he got a lot of courage and he decided he would live and help to all disabled person.